How to change country on Google account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile pop up. Click on Manage your Google account. After you're in Manage your Google account, scroll down, click on Personal Info in here. In Personal Info, scroll down and search for Home Address. Click on it and then you can add your new address. After you've removed your old address, you can type in your new address. Then press on Save. And after you do that, your country will be changed in your Google account. And this is how to change country on Google account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.